Hi, I'm Georgie, and this is The Scoop on COVID-19 and Your Pet, Part 2. So I previously did an episode that you guys might have seen on COVID-19 and pets. We were sharing recommendations from the CDC and World Health Organization in that episode. That was back on March 13th, and obviously a lot of things have changed since then. Just like I said in the last video, I'm not an expert. I'm just a concerned pet parent like you guys. I have a dog and a cat. You've seen them in all of my videos, hopefully. So today I'm going to be interviewing a veterinarian friend who is based in Jacksonville, Florida, Dr. Nguyen, as well as his vet tech, Catherine Parks. They are going to be updating us on how we should be handling the situation as it relates to our pets. So without further ado, let's go to the interview.
Hi, I'm Catherine Parks. I'm one of the hospital managers here at Arlington Animal Hospital in Jacksonville, Florida.
My name is Nguyen, and I'm a veterinarian at Arlington Animal Hospital in Jacksonville, Florida.
So thank you both so much for speaking to me today. Obviously, there's a lot of pet parents out there that have a lot of COVID-19 pet-related questions. Obviously, it's scary for us humans, but we're concerned about our pets. Have you been getting any questions from pet parents who are concerned that their pet is showing COVID-19 symptoms yet?
If people are concerned about the fact that they may have spread this to their animal, we would direct them to contact the Florida State Public Health Veterinarian and or the Florida State Animal Health official.
If I am sick or I think I might be sick, how do I care for my animal? Like what are the best practices that you would recommend?
We do recommend that you limit your contact with people and with animals as per the CDC recommendation. But the other thing is, if you're sick, then most likely your pet has already been exposed because you're sick.
Okay.
And so we recommend that you're the one to care for your pet.
How can pet parents protect their vets if they are taking their pet to the vet? Should I be wearing gloves and a mask and making sure that I got, 3 different leashes to pass off? What's the best way?
Right.
I think hand sanitizers or hand washing, per the CDC guidelines is the best thing to do. So infection control, standard infection control protocol. As far as masks are concerned, that's a really good point. And masks are actually more to protect other people from the wearer versus protecting the wearer from other people. And so, when we talk, we can have aerosol and droplets. And so by wearing a mask, we can limit that.
So now I'd like to ask you some community-based questions, things that our pet parent fans are asking. Is it safe for me to take my dog outside for a walk?
So it's safe to take your dog for a walk outside as long as you conform to the social distancing guidance.
Don't let anyone pet my dog as much as they beg and plead.
Right. You have to keep, I recommend keeping at least 10 feet apart. And you have to social distance. Don't let other people pet your dog. Don't talk to other people.
If I am also stuck indoors, what's the best way to exercise my pet?
For dogs, you can obviously play with all sorts of toys if they are still of that age that they want to do that. You could work on obedience training. It's a great time to do that. You're at home all day. If they are a younger dog, if you've got a treadmill, you could train them how to use a treadmill very slowly. Start very slow and work up, but don't go full out on a treadmill if they've never used one before.
Just like any exercise program, you want to start slow.
You want to start slow.
Surprisingly, cats will use a treadmill as well. You can use lasers, you can use food puzzles, food balls.
Right.
These are things that not only are fun for them, but are mentally enriching as well. So, mentally enriching cats is important.
Especially indoor cats. I mean, indoor cats, you could do that anyways, not being quarantined. They should have things like food puzzles and food balls. It just keeps them active and interested and gives them something to play with.
Oh yeah, I just adopted a 7-month-old kitten, So I obviously it's like me and my fiance working from home now, so he's having the time of his lot.
I'm sure.
Pets love it that everybody's working from home.
Oh yeah, they're happy.
Oh yeah, they love it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be weird for them when we all go back to normal, which will hopefully be sooner than later. Well,
Right.
I just want to thank you both so much, first and foremost, for being there for our pets and for educating us on all of this. I know that it's an ongoing situation and information is changing rapidly, so we really appreciate you getting us up to date on everything.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
having us.
Appreciate it.
Be safe
Stay
out
safe.
So a lot of super helpful and important information there. Please share this video with your fellow pet parents, friends and family that have pets. And thank you again to all the vets out there for doing their part to keep our vets safe during this time. We really, really, really appreciate you. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you next time on The Scoop. Bye! Be safe, wash your hands. Thank you, vets, we love you. We love you. Thank you, vets.